Okay, we will continue for converting string into lowercase and then uppercases. Here I'm going to use the same example, welcome to Java. We can use the method called toUpperCase that will return string values or in capitalized strings. Also, we can use toLowerCase that will return string values in lowercase. Last one is trim. It's going to remove the leading extra space or trailing additional space. So let's say if we have welcome to Java with 3 space at the beginning and 2 additional space at the end. We have a method called trim that will remove those 5 spaces, then return string values. So those 3 space, then last 2 space will be removed, and then we can get welcome to Java without those spaces. Okay, for now it seems okay. So let's go to Java project. Then I will quickly demonstrate. Let me comment. So instead of using same example, I will just repeat. Here I will say string s1 welcome to Java. As we can see, uppercase will return strings. Convert all of the characters in this string to uppercase. Okay. We can say s1.lowercase. We will change to lowercase using the rule of the default local. Okay. Last one is trim. So let me add 1, 2, 3 space. Let me add 2 space. So if you look at the last one, it remove space at the beginning and then at the end. So that might be useful if you go move to line number 35. Then you can capitalize, or you can make it as a lowercase. So we can simply say that trim spaces, and then we save it to itself, so that we can change to capitalize or lowercase. Okay.